Yuda, isa sa malapit na kaibigan ng Don Bell ang nagsabing hindi lang si Donato ang consistent, si Belinda rin. She always remind him to smile, knowing most of the people misunderstood to the way he behaved, not knowing may off moments siya. At dagdag pa niya, iba raw si Bell. Siya lang ang nakakapag-handle ng off moments niya. I can say he's really in love with her. Sa kanya lang kasi siya sumusunod. And I can say that they are really genuinely happy with each other.